Hello and welcome to the Soap Kitchen. Today we are going to be making our very own cold process soap. We have 225 grams of shea butter, 225 grams of olive oil pomace, 180 grams of water, 57 grams of caustic, 3 grams of ultramarine violet powder, 15 grams of lavender 442 essential oil, and 4 grams of lavender flowers to add to the top for some extra decoration. We are going to start by making our lye. For this part, make sure you're wearing all your safety gear, including safety glasses, gloves, and full sleeves. Pour your caustic in your water and give it a good mix. This can be very hot, so do be careful. Once mixed, leave to one side to cool. We use a nice cold basin of water to help with the cooling process. Next, we are going to work on our oils, so add in your shea butter, then pour in your olive pomace and put on a low heat on the hob until it has completely melted. Once your oils and lye are the same temperature, you can combine them together. Pour your lye into your oils and start mixing straight away. Once your oils and caustic have fully combined, you will see the colour change and the mixture start to thicken into a custard-like consistency. When happy, add in your essential oil. Next, you can add in your colour. For this recipe, we are creating a two-toned colour, so start by adding half of your colour and whisk. You will want to blend your colour in short bursts so you don't add too much air in the mixture. You'll notice the more you blend, the thicker the mixture will get. When ready, pour half of your mixture into your mould and use your spatula to push the mixture to the edges and smooth the top. Put to one side while you finish adding colour to the next layer. Following the same process, add the rest of your colour to your mixture and blend. Now you will have your darker shade ready for the next layer of your soap. Make sure you have the correct consistency before adding to your mould. If the consistency is too runny, the mixtures and colours will combine. Then use your spatula or a spoon as we have to create your desired finish. Then sprinkle your lavender on top. Next, you need to insulate your soap and leave to cure. You can cut your soap after approximately 24 hours. We are leaving ours open so we get a soda ash finish, creating a beautiful white top. Now that our soap has had enough time to initially gel, we can remove it from the mould. With your soap removed, you can now cut your soap with a soap cutter. And there you have it, your very own homemade cold process soap.